Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, this is a video about GRE vocabulary 5th part, high frequency word. So the four part I already share on the description part, so you can go through the description part also. And also at the end of this video you will get the playlist of remaining. Before moving to the word list, please subscribe our channel so that you will not miss the upcoming video, and also hit the bell icon so that you will get notification when the new video will be uploaded. So our first word is attenuate, and this word is both noun and adjective, and the meaning under the noun is become weaker in strength or value. That means strength become weak or value become the weak, and the adjective is reduce in strength only. So synonyms are weaken, depreciate, rarefy, faded. So now example under this word is radiation from the sun is attenuated by the earth. That means the radiation, harmful radiation from the sun is reduced or weakened by the earth. So I share the relative photo here, how a man feeling weak due to the presence of the sunlight. That means a man feeling attenuated. So now move on to the sentences. The first sentence is medication are used to attenuate symptom. That means medicine, giving a medicine are used to decrease the symptoms or reduce the symptoms, but for many patients this fails or are difficult to tolerate. That means for other patients, for many patients, this system is not going to be applicable. This is difficult to tolerate for them. So now move on to the second sentence. Second sentence is researchers are now running experiment to determine how walls and other obstacles attenuate the signal. That means researchers are experimenting that how the wall and other obstacle prevent the signal. That attenuate means prevent for this sentence. And the third sentence is water does attenuate UV rays, but it's not a cure-all, he says. That means water can prevent the UV rays, but it will not finish or cure it properly. Now we will move on to 5 more sentences under this, as I told previous video. So for 5 more sentences I will give 10 seconds, and you can continue with me, or you can pause the video and read all 5 sentences, then you can continue. So our second word is adamant, that is adjective, and the meaning of this word is refusing to change one's mind. And that means refusing to change your decision. So the synonyms under this word are intransigent, immovable, resolute, stubborn. And now the examples under this is he is adamant in his refusal to change his mind. That is, he is not going to change his mind at all. He is not ready to change his decision. So I share the related picture. See how a donkey is refusing to move on, although a man is applying force. So the sentences under these are, first sentence is Helton was adamant about his need for more staff and resources dedicated to recruiting. That means Helton don't change his mind for recruiting the staff and other resources. So the second sentence is Trump told worker that he did not believe his statistics was true, but the reporter was adamant that his numbers were accurate. Second sentence means the Trump told that he not believing the statistics was true, but the reporter was not able to change his decision, and he's telling that his numbers were accurate. So move on to the third sentence. The third sentence is the governor was adamant that Ohioans and others in the country must continue following social distancing guideline. That means the governor was telling that Ohioans and others in the countries should follow the social distancing for the current pandemic, that is coronavirus. So now move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So these are the 5 sentences. So now move on to the third word, that is acute, and this word is adjective, but this word have two meanings. First meaning is very serious or severe, means intense because of the short duration, because of the short time it is serious. And the second is less than 90 degree, that we study from our school level, that acute angle that is less than 90 degree. So the synonyms are sharp, pointed, intense, critical, dreadful, and severe. So these are the synonyms. Now move on to the example. She felt acute annoyance. That means she feeling a very intense hate. Annoyance means hating something, hate something. So see here how a lady feeling acute because of the outside disturbance. I share the relevant picture. So now move on to the sentences. The first sentence is some people die from acute respiratory illness and are cremated without ever getting tested. First sentence means that some people die due to the very serious respiratory illness and many are buried into the grave. Cremated means buried into the grave without ever getting tested. So move on to the second sentence. Inhaling nitrogen oxide poses especially acute risk to children and elderly. That means nitrous oxide is very dangerous for the children and elder peoples. So now move on to third sentence. The third sentence is I love the acute nature of helping patient during surgery. That means he loved the serious nature. It is not critical. It is serious nature of doctor while helping the patient during surgery. So now move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So now our fourth word is arbitrary. Arbitrary, that means that is adjective, and the meaning of this word is based on individual preference or choice. That means it shows the choice of single person or decision of the single individual person, not a group or team, which is sometimes changing. Impulse means changing, or capricious means not good, not good decision. That means uh, now move on to the synonyms. Synonyms are capricious, inconsistent, and whimsical. So these all means arbitrary. So the antonyms are non-arbitrary or unarbitrary. Both mean the same, and rational and prescribed. That means constant and equal. So now move on to the example. The arbitrary rule of a dictator. That means a dictator always give his own decision. A dictator won't listen to anybody. See, I share the picture that how a boss is arbitrary on his decision to their employees. So now move on to the sentences. The first sentence is District Judge Richard Bennett in Baltimore found the rule arbitrary and not sufficiently justified by the government. That means the judge Richard in Baltimore found that the rule is not equal, not for everyone. It is and not sufficiently justified by the government. That means it is arbitrary rule, which is inconsistent. So now move on to the second sentence. Shapiro said he is bothered by the term essential worker, which he called arbitrary and ridiculous on its face. That means that Shapiro saying that he hates the essential worker term, and that's so that it is an arbitrary and ridiculous. That means individual choice. So move on to the third sentence. Trump somehow made a system that was already uncertain and arbitrary even more hostile. The third sentence means that Trump made a system that is uncertain and also unequal, even more hostile. That means a war nature, a fighting nature. So now move on to the 5 more sentences. So now our last word for this video is affable. That is an adjective, and the meaning of this word is friendly, good nature, or easy to approach. And the synonyms are congenial, cordial, amiable. These all three words mean same. So move on to the example. An affable host offer you something to drink. That means a friendly host always offer you something to drink. So move on to the sentences. The first sentence is Kettle is an affable guy who is always smiling and cracking jokes. That means Kettle is a friendly nature, good nature guy who is smiling and cracking jokes. So now move on to the second sentence. There are inspiring, embarrassing and amusing stories throughout this affable 73-minute film. That means in a 73-minute film duration, it is also inspiring, embarrassing also, and amusing means sometimes irritating. Amusing means irritating. So collection of these all means affable, friendly. So move on to the third sentence. First, the actor does a fine job of capturing the character's sweet, affable foolishness, and as the plot thickens, his jealousy. That means the actor did a good job for capturing the character which is sweet and affable, that means good nature, foolishness. And it goes on increasing. It also shows the jealousy of actor. So see the picture that how a friendly nature cat is giving a hug to everyone. So now move on to the 5 more sentences. So guys, this was for this video, and guys, please subscribe our channel so that you will not miss the update of the coming video, and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification. And until then guys, please share this video to the relevant person so that they can utilize this opportunity, and like the video so that it really encourages me to do much more for this video. Until then, goodbye, take care. Thank you guys so much for watching our video, and please subscribe our channel, like and share this video, and please support us. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye, take care.